Guys, I got a problem I'm trying to solve. I have a 1980s radio in here. It only plays Huey Lewis and Kenny Loggins. I don't know what to do. I want to upgrade to something to play off my phone, but I don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on something that's Bluetooth compatible. What do? I found an option. So we're going to unbox it, and we're going to test it, and we're going to see if it's worth putting in your classic car. I say classic car. My daughter's driving a 2005 Jeep. She's got one. It works great. Not the same one. It's different. I bought something different because I wanted to work on my phone. Supposedly can answer calls. We're going to find out. Stick with me. So I bought this. That's right. It's the NX16 wireless transmitter. Let's get it unboxed here. See what we got. Straight off Amazon. I'll send a link in the description. It's down there. All right. Hassle-free 12-month replacement. All right, Amazon. I'll take it. Visit this website that's in yellow that you can't see. Here's the quick guide to get me started. Here's the manual. Imagine all the other stuff. My experience is that these things are pretty simple. So let's go ahead and plug it in and fire up the quick guide. All right, the actual unit here. Whoa, it's got USB charging ports. It's got whatever this is. I'm guessing it's for phone. Oh, it's not a switch. It's like kind of a toggle. That looks like some kind of microphone. It's got a light button. It's got a bass boost. Yeah, my 1980s speakers are going to love that. I don't know, looks kind of cool, different. It's a little clunky because they have giant microphone, but it's supposed to work with your phone, so yeah, let's try it. All right, it says step 1 is to insert the device in the vehicle's cigarette lighter. How many folks still call this a cigarette lighter? I know my generation calls it a cigarette lighter, but, well, I guess it's only my generation driving these old cars, but this is a cigarette lighter. Lighter. Plug it in. Oh. Yeah, it fits kind of wonky. We'll see. They probably, it's not in here, but they probably want you to turn the car on. At least to accessory. Car is on. The radio will turn on. So that's good. This thing, I got no light. Does it work? Huh. Alright, let's check that. Maybe I got a bad fuse. I don't smoke. Alright, after some messing around with it, I got it to work. Turns out my cigarette lighter is a little wonky. That's no fault of the actual transmitter. So that's a Chevelle Tom thing that we'll have to work on fixing. So let me get you in here so you're not so. Alright. Next step is to adjust. We're going to turn the car back on. Next step is to adjust the car radio to a vacant FM frequency with no music or human voice, only a slight steady rustle. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I don't know if it's higher or lower is better. Let's go to something higher. Let's go to 106.9. Tune the device to the same frequency as the car radio. All right, here we go. What they didn't tell you is you got to press in on it. Let's go. Oh, wow, this is taking forever. Holy shnikes. Still climbing. 106.8. 106.9. There we are. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and search for NX16. Bluetooth NX16. I found it. Oh, it says it's connected. Oh, if I go to Spotify, for example, and let's say I want to play this playlist. A little Mellencamp. Listen to that. Hey, it works. It's a bass button, too. It actually sounds pretty good. Wow. No complaints. Yeah, we're probably going to blow the speakers out because they are literally 1980s speakers. All right, well, because of copyright issues, I can't play too much of that. But trust me that it actually sounds pretty good. The bass sounds pretty good. No complaints. So it seems like the radio part is working. And I am synced to 106.9. 106.9 on here. This button up here changes some colors. Let me turn the radio off just so that's not in the background at all. I can change the colors. If that's what you're into. Different colors. Whatever. I think one of these will just toggle between all of them. That's off. Back to red. All right, so it says a long press is breathing light mode. Oh, there it goes. Wonder what that means. Oh, that's gonna just keep changing the colors. Yeah, if I want a disco effect, sure. Boy, I wish they wouldn't have printed these instructions in yellow because you can't see them. Let's see if the phone works. So I'm gonna dial somebody up here who doesn't know I'm gonna call. And let's see if it plays over my speaker. Again, I'm gonna keep the volume low, so let me call her and see. Ooh, it's calling.
Hello? What's up?
I'm making a video. You're on my video.
Oh.
I'm using my new car adapter, and it's actually playing you over my speakers on my car.
That's cool.
Yeah, it works. Anyways, I just wanted to test. I heard you bouncing around up there. You're up, right?
Yeah, I woke up.
All right. How do I sound? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Like normal, or?
It sounds like it's coming through a car.
Oh, it does? Okay.
Like it's not, yeah, it's a little like fuzzy, but like I hear you clear.
Okay, awesome. Well, thanks. You're going to be in my video.
Cool.
Awesome. All right, thanks. See you, bye.
Yep, bye.
Let's go ahead and check the charger. I got a USB-C. I got my iPhone plugged in here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. What do we got? Oh, it's charging. So the charger works too. I guess I wouldn't expect it not to, but it works. The reason I chose this one is because of this. At the time of making this video, which you won't be able to see, it's a 4.4 stars with 3,200 ratings, almost 3,300 ratings. And the best part is, at the time of this video, it is $14.99. All right, guys, there you have it. The new Laxi wireless transmitter. This is not a paid promotion, just something I bought, I wanted to try. If you've got a classic car or a car that's pre-Bluetooth, this works pretty good. I can use my phone to make calls, I can charge, and best of all, it'll play the music from the apps on my phone right to my car stereo. Again, it's a cheap alternative to buying a new radio. Hope you enjoyed it. I give this one a thumbs up. We'll see how it is for the long haul, but for now, I'm pretty happy with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.